This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, I've got a treat for you today. We're making this honeycomb candy or honeycomb toffee. Measure the bicarb soda and line your baking dish or bowl before you begin cooking. In a medium saucepan, add the sugar, golden syrup and water. Turn the heat on to low. Stir the mixture constantly until all the sugar has dissolved like this. Now stop stirring. Gradually turn the heat up until the mixture reaches 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. You can test this with a candy thermometer or by dropping a little bit into a glass of water. It will form a hard candy that you can crack. Once the candy reaches temperature, turn the heat off immediately. Now this is where the magic happens. Vigorously whisk in the bicarb soda and then pour the mixture into your prepared dish. Allow the honeycomb to cool in the dish for an hour or two or until hard. Smash into pieces and then enjoy. Store the honeycomb in an airtight container. Thanks for watching this recipe video and I hope you have fun making your own honeycomb. Thanks to all of my subscribers and watch more of my vegan recipe videos by clicking on the links above.